भारतीय जीवन आयु विमा महामंडळ LIC या वर्सा 62 वर्सां पुराय जाली। सुरवातेक पुराय देशान 168 कडेन कार्यालयां अस्तित्वान आशिल्लीं। आता 4826 कार्यालयां आणि 1.11 लाख कामगार, 11.48 लाख विमा प्रतिनिधी आणि 29 कोटी पॉलिसी अस्तित्वान आसात। हे LICचे व्हड यश आसा म्हण विभागीय सर व्यवस्थापक राजेश मिश्रा हांणी माहिती दिल्या। RD एक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
उम्मीद करता हूं कि जिस तरीके से हमने अपनी जर्नी 1956 में स्टार्ट की थी, हम उस जर्नी को और आगे जिस शान से आगे बढ़ा के लाए हैं उसी शान से और आगे बढ़ाएंगे। कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा। LIC 1956 में स्टार्ट किया था विद 5 करोड़ ऑफ कैपिटल, विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने जो 5 करोड़ दिया था। And today our life fund is 28.45 lakh crores. We started with just 5 crores, and against 5 crore of the investment of Government of India, last year we had given dividend to the Government of India in the tune of 2,206 crores against 5 crore. See the profit which LIC has earned and contributed to the Government of India. As on 31st of March 2018, total income of the corporation for the year, 1 year, was 5,23,611 crores. Total premium, the policy payment which we had made last year, it was in the tune of 1,98,119 crore payment we had made last year. Total asset to the corporation is 28.45 lakh crores. Total investment as on 31st March 2018 of the LIC of India in the government and social sector is in the tune of 19,55,000 crores. In 56-61, the first 5-year plan, LIC had just invested 184 crore rupee in 5 years, and then 17-22 our investment plan is in the tune of 3,82,000 crores. See the difference where we started, now where we are. Insurance industry, the moment of truth is the death claim. Last year we had paid death claim in the tune of more than 98% claim we had settled, where we have received the requirement.
I first of all compliment and congratulate each and every one of you for this great 62nd anniversary of LIC of India.
The national priorities, the obligation towards the policyholder is always our prime focus. Today, as we are entering the 62nd year of a mighty organization, the occasion like this provides us the opportunity to highlight our magnificent achievement and role in nation building activities and our continuous commitment for the welfare of our customer.